Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to find a Bitcoin address on Phantom Wallet. To find your Bitcoin wallet address on Phantom Wallet is super easy. First of all, open up your Phantom application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account. After getting to the home page of Phantom Wallet, go ahead and tap on the Receive button at the top left. From the list, select Bitcoin. You will now be able to see the Bitcoin's wallet address at the bottom of the screen right above Share. You can also see the QR code displayed on the screen, which people can scan and send you Bitcoin on this address. You can copy the wallet address by tapping on the Copy button right next to your wallet at the bottom and share it with anyone you want to receive cryptos from. You can also tap on the Share button and share it directly on your SMS app, via email, or any other social messaging application. That is how you find your Bitcoin wallet address using Phantom Wallet app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.